Hey, so I'm putting together a quick video here because I want to answer a question about Facebook. Facebook is the type of platform for promotion and advertising that it works differently for different types of businesses. And depending on the nature of your business and what you're doing in your advertising, it would depend on how you use Facebook based on an objective. For example, if you're a t-shirt company and you're trying to sell t-shirts and basically you're just trying to sell them, on Facebook, that would be one thing. Now, if you are a dental office, for example, you might be able to promote specific things, but you aren't necessarily going to sell a service. Someone's not going to buy now right through the Facebook page, right? So for a dentist type scenario, what you are doing is actually more of a brand exposure. In other words, increasing the visibility of your business name, getting people more familiar with you, what your team looks like, where you're located, and you're kind of just building that reputation. It can be a little tricky and confusing to understand sometimes about all these different types of objectives in marketing, advertising, promotion, and public relations. It might be easier to think of Facebook more as a passive promotional source, whereas Google is a more proactive promotional source. For example, somebody goes into Google and they search specifically for a service. For example, if they're looking for dental specials in the area, they would go search Google for dental specials in their area. Now, Facebook's a little bit different, obviously, because generally speaking, people don't go onto Facebook searching for a specific thing, like you would in Google. Again, that's why the objective in Facebook is generally going to be different, specifically when we're talking about a dental practice, a veterinarian, an optometrist, or something like that. And this could be added on that a website, for example, and Facebook work together in different ways. But the bottom line is, for a comprehensive promotional campaign, advertising campaign, where you're reaching out to broad public, making your service more well-known, more received, more accepted, how do you do that? Again, back to that earlier example, if you're selling a t-shirt, $9.99, buy now, that's a very different scenario than saying, hey, we'd love to have you visit our practice or call us because we have a special going on. All right, to end this, I'm just going to say, so I'm going to have a lot more videos on this topic, breaking this down even more, but just always think of online presence, as a proactive, your proactive consumers, meaning that individual that's out searching and looking for a specific product or service. And then you're more passive, where your promotion and advertising is more based around making your brand known, making your location, making your specials known, making anything about your business more known. Because in the art of advertising, when somebody hears a name a specific amount of times and they see a name and they see things and public relations things and pictures and anything related to your business that they can relate to and understand, that overall is going to help you in the future. And that will inevitably result in more business to you, given that you have a product or service that is in demand by society or a town or what have you. So that's all I have for you tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Jason Wydro here with goldendentalmarketing.com. Go ahead and visit us. We do a free consultation for a dental practice owner. So if you have a question or something you're running into, or even a audit on your existing online presence, we can find some bugs and problems with that. I'd be happy to do that for you, and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.